Ever found yourself staring blankly, wondering if that crucial appointment is today, tomorrow, or sometime next week? Or perhaps you're a business owner pulling your hair out over no-shows and the lost revenue that comes with them. If either of those scenarios rings a bell, then you're in the right place. We all lead busy lives, juggling work, family, and countless other commitments. In this whirlwind, it's easy for things to slip our minds, even important appointments. And for businesses, especially those relying on scheduled services, these forgotten appointments can translate into significant losses, disrupt workflows, and create unnecessary headaches. Think about it from the customer's perspective. They booked an appointment with the best intentions, excited about the service you offer. But life happened. A last-minute meeting popped up, their child fell ill, or simply, it slipped their mind amidst the daily grind. It's not malicious. It's human nature. Now flip the coin. As a business owner, you've invested time and resources preparing for that appointment. Your staff is ready, your equipment is set, and then silence. No customer. That empty slot represents lost income, wasted time, and a dent in your productivity. So, how do we bridge this gap? How can we gently nudge customers to remember their appointments without being intrusive? And how can businesses minimize the impact of no-shows? The answer, in many cases, lies in the power of timely and effective reminders. But not all reminder systems are created equal. Generic, impersonal reminders can easily get lost in the digital noise or even annoy customers. What you need is a system that's smart, customizable, and seamlessly integrates into your workflow. That's where Setmore comes into the picture. Setmore isn't just a scheduling platform. It's a comprehensive solution designed to streamline your entire appointment process, and a crucial part of that is its robust customer reminder system. So, how exactly does Setmore handle customer reminders and help both you and your clients stay on track? Let's dive in. At its core, Setmore understands that flexibility is key. Different customers have different preferences when it comes to receiving reminders. Some prefer a quick SMS text, others rely on email, and some might even appreciate a calendar invitation. Setmore caters to these diverse needs by offering multiple reminder channels. When a customer books an appointment through your Setmore-powered booking page, you have the option to automatically trigger a series of reminders. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. You, the business owner, have granular control over when and how these reminders are sent. Let's start with email reminders. Setmore allows you to customize the content of these emails, ensuring they are informative and on-brand. You can include essential details like the appointment date and time, the service booked, the location of your business, with a handy map link, and even personalized messages. Imagine a reminder email that not only confirms the appointment but also provides helpful pre-appointment instructions or a friendly, "looking forward to seeing you" message. This level of personalization can significantly enhance the customer experience. But email isn't always the most immediate form of communication. In today's fast-paced world, SMS reminders often have a higher open and response rate. Setmore's SMS reminder feature ensures that your customers receive a timely text message directly on their phones. These messages are concise and to the point, providing the essential appointment details. And the best part? You can often set up multiple SMS reminders at different intervals leading up to the appointment, increasing the likelihood of the customer remembering. Beyond email and SMS, Setmore also offers the convenience of calendar integrations. When a customer books an appointment, they can automatically add it to their Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or iCalendar. This seamless integration ensures the appointment is visible alongside their other commitments, reducing the chances of double booking or simply forgetting. Now, let's talk about customization. Setmore understands that every business is unique, and your reminders should reflect that. You have the power to tailor the timing of your reminders. Want to send a reminder 24 hours before the appointment? Or perhaps a gentle nudge a few hours prior? Setmore allows you to set these intervals according to your specific needs and the nature of your services. Furthermore, you can customize the content of your reminders to align with your brand voice and provide specific information relevant to the appointment. For a hair salon appointment, you might want to remind clients to arrive with clean, dry hair. For a consultation, you might ask them to bring any relevant documents. This level of detail ensures your customers are well prepared and reduces potential misunderstandings. But the benefits of Setmore's reminder system extend beyond just reminding customers. By proactively communicating with your clients, you build stronger relationships and foster a sense of professionalism. Customers appreciate the extra effort you take to ensure they don't miss their appointments. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Moreover, a well-implemented reminder system significantly reduces no-shows. Fewer no-shows mean less wasted time for your staff, better resource allocation, and ultimately, a healthier bottom line for your business. You can optimize your schedule, accommodate more clients, and minimize the financial impact of missed appointments. Setmore's reminder system works seamlessly in the background, automating a crucial aspect of your customer communication. Once you've set up your preferred reminder settings, the system takes care of the rest, freeing up your time to focus on delivering excellent service to your clients. The platform also provides insights into your reminder delivery. You can often track whether emails and SMS messages have been sent, giving you peace of mind that your reminders are reaching your customers. In conclusion, Setmore's approach to customer reminders is multifaceted and designed to benefit both businesses and their clients. By offering multiple channels, robust customization options, and seamless integration, Setmore empowers businesses to proactively manage their appointments, reduce no-shows, enhance customer communication, and ultimately, run more efficiently. It's about more than just sending a notification. It's about building a smoother, more reliable experience for everyone involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.